know, because they're like huge fireworks.
I want to see that first one again.
I'm going to upload this tonight.
Okay.
And you can watch it if you want to. I'm going to do 2 videos, okay?
Okay.
I have my old channel. Just search up David Bushman. I have a video of Rocky. They're like Alabama. They're Alabama ones.
Smoke is still up there. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize.
Oh, look at that. There's smoke.
No, it's fun.
Think about going up with them and it lights your butt on fire and you go up with them and pop. And then you die.
I don't know if you would die, but you would definitely.
Yeah, you'd probably die. It's about a 59,000 foot fall.
No, it's not, Jackson. I mean, Chase.
Oh, what the? They would definitely die.
They look so small on my camera. They look tiny on my camera.
But they're really big.
I know, like, look in person. So look at this. They look tiny. They look like the mini meteors.
They look like mini meteors.
I just said that, Chase. Stop saying your butt hurts. I'm recording.
Well, it hurt when I slipped on that concrete.
I know that you're fine.
Well, my butt is not fine.
Whoa.
That was a big one. That was a small one on camera, but a big one. For a big one, for one to be a big on camera, it has to be like humongous. It has to be like as big as a building.
That first one, I still can't get over that first one.
That over there?
No, the one that started this whole thing.
Dude, let me see it on camera.
Okay, stop. You couldn't even.
Oh yeah, they are tiny on camera.
Don't, dude, stop. You can't even see. All you see is like shadow. Oh, I know a better place to sit right now.
Oh, that's like awesome.
It's like I dropped my phone. And I drop it on concrete. That would be horrible. I'm trying to itch. Okay, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing it right here. How about right here? Whoa. I wonder what's going to be in the grand finale.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, 3 at a time.
Whole thing?
What?
Are you gonna do the whole thing?
I'm going to go to 5 minutes. Right now I'm at 4 minutes. Well, now I'm at 40 minutes. 1 more minute. Then I'm done. Jeez. They're like as loud as 50 gunshots at a time.
I know. You should video the grand finale, just the grand finale, and put them one together.
No, I can't do that. Not on this phone.
Oh,
that one was huge.
that should be.
That one was huge as well on camera. Holy crap.
Oh my gosh, that thing.
I should do a slideshow.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh my god. We did some of these. We did some of these. We did something like this at the party. At my party last night.
Whoa.
to see some in person. Dude, that shook me. The camera's not really picking it up very good. That one was huge.
David, it would never be big. It would never be big on the camera because the camera's so small.
Oh, they barely saw that one. Like the camera barely picked that one up. Oh, I'm at 5 minutes. I guess I'll do 6 minutes. I'm almost at 6 minutes. I'm gonna do 6 minutes.